Hello, and welcome to our lesson on Agile approaches to resource and time management. This segment will cover Agile time management. Time management plays a key role in successfully delivering value to stakeholders. Effective time management ensures meeting iteration deadlines. In Agile, projects are divided into iterations or sprints, typically lasting 1 to 4 weeks. Time management is essential to ensure the team can deliver a potentially shippable product increment by the end of each iteration. By setting clear goals and priorities for each iteration, Agile teams can focus on delivering the most valuable features within the allotted time frame. Responding to change. Agile projects embrace change and adapt to evolving requirements throughout development. Effective time management enables teams to respond quickly and efficiently to priorities, scope, or customer feedback changes. Time-boxed iterations provide a framework for managing change, allowing teams to adjust the project's scope or priorities without derailing the overall timeline. Maximizing efficiency and productivity. Time management helps Agile teams maximize their efficiency and productivity by ensuring they work on the most valuable tasks at any given time. By prioritizing work items based on their relative importance and estimated effort, teams can effectively allocate their time and resources, focusing on delivering high-value features that meet customer needs. Avoiding scope creep. Scope creep, or the gradual expansion of project scope beyond its original boundaries, can lead to delays and cost overruns. Effective time management helps Agile teams maintain focus on the project goals and avoid unnecessary distractions or additions to the scope. Time-boxed iterations provide a mechanism for controlling scope by establishing clear boundaries for each development cycle and encouraging stakeholders to prioritize the most important features. Sustaining a sustainable pace. Agile promotes a sustainable pace of work, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance and avoiding burnout among team members. Effective time management ensures that teams deliver value consistently over the long term, without resorting to unsustainable work practices or excessive overtime. Enhancing predictability. By effectively managing time, Agile teams can improve the predictability of their project delivery timelines. Through sprint planning, estimation, and tracking techniques, teams can better understand their capacity and velocity, allowing them to make more accurate predictions about future iterations. In Agile methodology, time management revolves around an iterative and incremental approach, distinct from traditional project management methods. This approach is centered on delivering value incrementally, adapting to change, and continuously improving throughout the project lifecycle. The iterative and incremental approach in Agile projects involves iterative delivery, incremental development, continuous planning and adaptation, feedback-driven iteration, continuous improvement. Iterative delivery. Agile projects are divided into iterations or time-boxed cycles, typically lasting from 1 to 4 weeks. Each iteration results in a potentially shippable product increment, allowing stakeholders to see tangible progress and provide feedback early in development. Time management in Agile focuses on delivering a working product increment at the end of each iteration, rather than waiting until the end of the project to deliver the final product. Incremental development. Agile projects adopt an incremental development approach, where functionality is built and delivered in small, manageable increments. This allows teams to prioritize features based on their value and complexity, delivering the most critical features and building upon them incrementally over time. Time management in Agile involves breaking the project scope into smaller, prioritized increments, allowing teams to focus on delivering valuable functionality iteratively. Continuous planning and adaptation. Agile time management emphasizes continuous planning and adaptation throughout the project lifecycle. Rather than creating a detailed project plan upfront and sticking to it rigidly, Agile teams embrace change and adjust their plans as needed based on feedback and new information. Time management practices, such as sprint planning, daily stand-up meetings, and sprint reviews, enable teams to continuously monitor progress, identify obstacles, and adapt their plans to meet project goals. Feedback-driven iteration. Agile projects rely on feedback-driven iteration to validate assumptions, gather insights, and make course corrections as needed. By delivering working product increments early and frequently, Agile teams can gather feedback from stakeholders and end users, allowing them to refine and improve the product over time. Time management practices in Agile facilitate feedback-driven iteration by ensuring that teams have regular opportunities to demonstrate their progress, gather feedback, and adjust their plans and priorities. Continuous improvement. Agile time management is grounded in the principle of continuous improvement, where teams reflect on their performance, identify improvement areas, and adjust their processes and practices. Time management practices such as sprint retrospectives enable teams to reflect on their time management practices, identify bottlenecks or inefficiencies, and implement changes to improve their productivity and effectiveness in future iterations. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall continue discussing Agile time management. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you on our next segment.